What's good?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayana. So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig for you guys. It's from Premier Lace Wigs. I'm going to give my pros and my cons on the wig, just what I rated out of 10 and whether or not I'd recommend it to you guys. So if you're interested in this look, please keep watching. So just kind of like a disclaimer before I start this video, this wig was sent to me. I did not pay for it with my own money, but I will be giving my honest review on it. I'm gonna be honest, so here goes. So like I said, the company that sent it to me is Premier Lace Wigs. I am familiar with this company. I've worked with, or not worked with, I have purchased from this company in the past. Actually, they're the company that I purchased my first wig from back when I was transitioning to natural. I purchased my first wig from this company and I still have it to this day, and it's still like I still rock it every now and then. But yeah, that's the company that sent me the wig. The wig that I received is the Yaki Straight Anatomic 360 degree lace wig, SKU number 360LW02. It is Indian Remy hair and it is the color 1B. It's 20 inches, 150% density. I got a medium cap size and the hair came pre-plucked. And in the cap, it came with 4 clips. There was 3 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back, and I ended up taking the clip on the top of the head out because I tend to wear my parts in the middle of my head, and whenever companies put clips on the top of their units right there, it just messes with like how the wig lays. It tends to lay a lot flatter when the clip's not there, so I took that out really easily. As far as shipping goes, when they sent out the wig, they emailed me, and from the time they emailed me to the time I received the wig, I want to say it was about 3 to 4 days, no more than 5 days that I got the wig. So shipping's really fast. The customer service is they're really on it. Like they really do care about the customer. They're really responsive, and yeah. So when the wig came, it came in this box here. It's a little dirty, you'll have to excuse it. And in the box, of course, came the wig. They also send a elastic band for those of you girls who like to put the elastic band on the back of your wigs. They send you with that. They send you with 2 wig caps, which I love because I lose wig caps like I lose socks. So I just like never have any wig caps or any socks. And then they also send you with a little info booklet, which is basically a booklet that kind of talks about the company a little bit and gives you tips on what to do and what not to do with your hair, just kind of stuff on taking care of your hair and stuff like that. So my initial impression of the hair was that it was so soft, you all. Like, I pulled it out of like its little netting and whatever, like the bag and whatever, and the hair was so soft. Like I could run my fingers through it, and I'm running my fingers through it right now because it's still like, it's so soft. There were no tangles, there were no kinks. Like I was literally running my fingers through this hair and nothing was snagging. There was no shedding at all. The hair didn't really have any type of peculiar or weird smell to it. The hairline, like I said, came pre-plucked, but I did go in and of course pre-pluck it a little bit more. I probably could go in and pluck it some more if I really wanted to, but I gave it some baby hairs, tried to make it look as natural as possible. When I got the hair, I was more than pleased with it. I've had it for about a month now, and I'm still rocking it. Like I love this hair. It's probably my favorite unit that I have right now. So, like I said, it's a 360 lace degree wig. 360 degree lace wig, which basically means around the perimeter of your head is lace, and then right back here, I guess around the crownish area and like the middle of your head, it's tracks. So a cool thing about this wig is that you can, if you want, you can put it up into a high ponytail if you wanted to, or you could do like half up, half down. It's kind of like a versatile wig. You can part it like anywhere you want, put some cornrows in it, whatever you want. Like this wig, it's the shit. Excuse my language, but it's the shit. So the wig is like pretty versatile. Like it's simple, but at the same time you can do so much with it. Another thing about this wig is it is a Yaki texture, and this is my first time with the 360 and with the Yaki texture. And for the Yaki texture, for those of you who have never had a Yaki textured hair. It's basically like, if I could describe it, African American hair in a straightened form. Or like, it reminds me of when I used to get my hair relaxed and I go and get it flat iron. This is like literally what it would feel like. So it's like African American hair, or it's, I guess, it's supposed to mimic African American hair in its straightened state. And I feel like it does a pretty good job. I really like how natural it looks. So, okay, so my cons with this wig. I really didn't have that many issues with it. Like, I think my biggest issue, which wasn't even really an issue, but I like to bleach the knots on my units, and you can't bleach the knots on this unit. Like, it's impossible. It's a 1B, so, and I knew that you couldn't bleach one. I mean, you can bleach one. I mean, I read and like I went on YouTube and I saw all this stuff about how you can't bleach the knots of 1B hair, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it anyways. And I did it anyways. And the knots, they did not lift. Like, it didn't work. Like, I was like, you know what, whatever. So I went in with some concealer and some powder, and I fixed it right up. It really wasn't that big of an issue. But one thing about this unit is they do offer it in a natural hair color, or natural black, so you can get that, and I'm sure you can bleach the knots on that unit. But with a 1B unit, color did not lift at all whatsoever. And really, that was my only issue with the wig. Like, it's really an A1 wig. Like, it fits snug. Like, that's one thing about their 360 units, is that they make them to where they fit so snug to your head. Like, not that they're too small, but like, I think a lot of time with wigs, you get like the little puffiness up here, or that, like, you know, that little pocket of air that doesn't want to stay down. But with this wig, like, it's literally, whoosh, it's like on my head. Like, I kid you not. It's on there. So overall, I would give this wig a 9 out of 10. I give it a 9 because I couldn't bleach the knots. But other than that, like, this hair is A1. I've gotten so many compliments on it, especially on how like natural it looks. And like, I definitely would recommend this hair to you guys. Not only this hair, I'd recommend this company as a whole. Like, I've had nothing but good experiences from them, you know, with the time that I did purchase from them and from this time that they sent me the hair. Like, I've had nothing but good experience with them. The hair, the service, all of it. So that's about it. Like, if you guys are out there looking for a great straight wig that you really don't have to do much to, like, this is the wig for you. I definitely recommend it. And I'll definitely link all of the stuff, all of the information on this wig, including the direct link to this wig, in the description box below. Like, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. This is my first YouTube video. I'm starting my YouTube, so please don't forget to subscribe. I hope to have up more reviews on hair, mostly beauty and fashion related stuff. But yeah, guys, please subscribe to me. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Okay. Not for real now. Because we have